Hey, what is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Matt's here, and today we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of these. So these are the Empire Ears ESR Mark IIs, and I just want to thank Josh over at Empire Ears for sending these out for me to review. So are you guys excited to see what's inside? So am I. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing now, shall we? Alright, so before we start doing the unboxing, I just want to make another quick shout out to Josh over at Empire Ears for sending these out for me to unbox, to take photos of, and to review. Alright, Josh, thanks again, man, for sending these out, and let's start doing the unboxing now, shall we? Let's watch me struggle again with these. Yeah, see that? It's fragile. Sorry guys, I am very bad at unboxing and cutting, so just bear with me, shall we? Woo-hoo-hoo! I see the box, and it is a white box. Oh my, that is very, very white. But hey, looks beautiful. So here we have it, just a beautiful white box. And it's actually really, really nice. And again, as with the wraiths that I just unboxed, the Pursuit of Extraordinary. And there we have it. All right. Oh, a little sad that it's actually the 3.5 millimeter version of the cable, but no worries. I have other cables to actually use for these, but hey, not complaining. I'm not Lou of Unbox Therapy, so I'm not that pro. He's amazing at what he does. So there it is without the wrapping paper. And I'm pretty sure this is also going to be, is it going to be a slide out, or oh, it's just a flippy. Woohoo! And there we have, oh man, that is again beautiful. It is quite the opposite of the wraiths. The wraiths had a black box. So this is just going to be the quick start guide with the stickers. I really love the Empire Ears logo. They're very well designed. All right, so let's just put that on the side. And again, we have that thick thank you card. And it also shows that this is an Empire Ears genuine product. Let's put that there. Let's just have a close look at those beauties. Man, that faceplate is nice. The cable looks pretty nice too. Right, before we do that, let's see what else is included. That's a little harder there. But so again, same as the Wraith. Came with the final E-tips right here, and the Empire Ears metal case. Let's just have another listen to that, shall we? Oh, hear that, guys? A little bit of ASMR. But yeah, that case is really nice. Though I actually kind of prefer their older case, but these are also really, really nice. And we have it there, the ESR Mark II. ESR, which stands for Empire Ears Studio Reference, I believe. And these are the Mark IIs. I've never heard the Mark Is, so obviously I haven't heard these. So I'm going to be doing a follow-up video as well. I don't think you guys would like me to do the initial impressions right off bat, since it's going to be a long video again. So that's just going to be it for the accessories. And let's take a close look at these now. Ooh, oh yeah, come here little babies. All right, so let's just take a close look at the cable. And I believe these are the Alpha 4 cables. These are still produced by Effect Audio. So there's the Empire Ears logo on the Y splitter, and as you guys can see, 3.5 millimeter jack. So it's just going to be single-ended, but it's okay. I have other cables. And here is a much closer look at those face plates, and those are pretty nice. So as you can see, when the light reflects it that way, oh, that gradient. That is beautiful. I'm gonna have fun taking pictures of these later. Oh man, that logo is so nice on there. Can you see that? When the light hits it differently, so nice. All right, then you can see right there as well, it says ESR Mark II. Should be the same on the other end. Yeah, beautiful. That's just gonna be it for me. Somewhat quick. unboxing from me. So that's pretty much almost everything that's on the box, I guess. I think that should be everything. It's a little tight. That should be everything that is included, and I can't wait to have a listen and bring you guys first initial impressions. So watch out for that. That is the unboxing now, and I'll be doing the photo shoot before I actually try them out. Like, I want to make sure they're completely good for the photo shoot. That's gonna take me another hour. But yeah, all right guys, so if you like what you saw and would like to support me in any way, just please comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, that's all I can really say. Pardon any stuttering in this video. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. Once again, this is Matt, and let's get into the discussion. All right, see you on HeadFi.